Hi, I'm Louisa and in today's video I'm going to show you how to make an Asian pink lily out of crepe paper. If you're using thin floral wire like I am, it's going to be easier for you to bend it and create the volume from the wire. If not, you can use some tissue paper, toilet paper or even aluminum foil to create the volume. As you saw in the beginning, the final flower is going to have 6 pieces like this one with brown on top and one with that light yellow on the top. Although the colors might be different, the process is the same for all 7 of them. Let's start working on the petals. We're going to have 2 rows of petals, each comprised of 3 petals, so 6 in total. I'm using the same kind of floral wire that I used before. as it's very malleable. For the next step, we're going to use the pale pink alcohol marker to draw some fine lines on each of the petals. I'm also coloring the edges a bit. If you like this kind of videos, I hope you'll consider subscribing if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my next crafts. And now for the fun part, let's start assembling our flower. I like cutting the excess wire so the end flower doesn't look too bulky. And for the final touch we're going to make 3 leaves. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, like the video and maybe even leave a comment. If you want to try making the lily yourself, there's also an entire playlist on my channel dedicated to crepe paper flowers, so you can make a bouquet perfect for any occasion. See you on the next one, bye!